In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute quartiles and interquartile range in Desmos and how to interpret each one. Okay, so first let's just go ahead and compute it, and then we'll talk about interpretation. So let's open up under resources so you can see that's the little page thing, and I'm just pressing on the Desmos graphing calculator right here. So let's do that. Okay, and we will copy paste the data into a list. So we'll call it L. So L equals, and then we open the data set. And these are salaries of people in thousands. So let's take the salaries and copy paste them here. All right, so now we have the salaries. Now let's go ahead and use the command called stats. So stats, and then open parentheses L. What this command does, it gives you a so-called 5-number summary. So it gives you the smallest value in the data, the largest value in the data, and the min and max. It also gives you the median, and it gives you the first quartile and the third quartile. So at least at this point, I can fill out the first quartile and I can fill out the third quartile. Now, the interquartile range. So what you need to know that the interquartile range is defined as the difference between the third and the first quartiles. And always start with the third because it's larger and subtract the first. Whatever that is, that's interquartile range. So just think about it as interquartile, between quartiles, okay? Now, in terms of the interpretation, how do we interpret each one of them? Okay, so let me show you the picture here. So just imagine that your data is divided into quarters, right? So this is the smallest value, the largest value, and you have 25% each between the quartiles. Okay, so for the first quartile, what percentage is less than that? So you can see that this whole thing right here from here to here, that's 25%. And then what percentage is more? So that would be all of that, right? So it's going to be 25 3 times, which is 75. So that's how we interpret the first quartile. That 25% of individuals earn less than 62.9 thousand, and the rest, which is 75%, earn more. Now, what about the third quartile? So the third quartile, that's over here. So what percentage is below the third quartile? Well, if it's right here, we can see that it's 25, 25, and another 25. So that's 75%. So 75% of people would earn less than 80.5 thousand, and the rest, which is 25%, will earn more. Finally, how do we interpret the interquartile range? So the interquartile range is the difference between the first and third quartiles, but it's like third minus first. So it's going to be this distance between the quartiles. It's also abbreviated as IQR for interquartile range. And between the quartiles from Q1 to Q3, you have 50% of the data, right? So the interquartile range is interpreted as the range of the middle 50% of employees' salaries.